Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2019 Honda Fury with only 4,727 miles runs and rides well and passes New Hampshire State inspection. It's been upgraded with a Cobra exhaust, a fuel tuner, and an aftermarket intake, seat, and grips. The Fury is a chopper-inspired cruiser with the reliability, craftsmanship, and versatility Honda is known for. While the Fury certainly looks the part, its performance and handling actually match its mean-looking style. This is a great option for a rider who likes customs, but not the setbacks of one. A 1312cc V-twin engine paired to a 5-speed transmission power this long and lean bike, which is nearly 6 feet from axle to axle. It has a low seat height of 26.9 inches and a dry weight of 663 pounds. This opportunity vehicle is being sold as is. We encourage you to see and hear the bike in person. If you are unable to, we will be happy to do a live inspection via Skype or FaceTime. Please give us a call for more information. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.